What happened?
What do you mean, what happened? We have no time to sleep. We need to clean everything.
For sure.
Ladies and gentlemen, I never introduced people who are behind the scenes. So I would like to introduce the team. And here you have Anaël, who does accountancy, clients following, makes the invoices. So Anaël, who is here?
Alors, je m'appelle Anaëlle, je m'occupe de tout ce qui est facturation, aussi des devis. Voilà, et je suis dans les bureaux.
Okay, so she's in the office, she does quotations, calling clients, doing paperwork, doing accountancy, everything like this, and she works with us already for 3 years. And here you have Vusal, that you know already, you saw him since the beginning of the channel, and even with the previous channel, he was filming.
Yeah.
And it's him who has the button.
Yeah, behind the camera every time.
Yes.
So,
And who does editing, filming, and everything like this.
but initially it wasn't my job. Like,
Yes.
I'm not doing it like professional.
Now you're doing it professionally.
I'm trying to.
Yeah. Yes, was also he's an IT person, and he joined us maybe 3 years ago. He was doing the website. He was doing the our software.
Yeah.
That's it. And now he's filming.
And who else we got?
Who else we got? We got Omar,
Yeah.
and we got Aurélien. You will see them also. So the intellectual person, the office person,
And you? And everything combined.
no, me it's more energy, and that's all. And going to knock to the client's door who doesn't want to pay. Ladies and gentlemen, so now we are doing like every week. On Saturday comes a guy who already worked for us. He was a student, and now he is not a student anymore, but he works for us once per week. He does the gardening here, so to entertain and everything. And you know, we were thinking about how to manage all the trees around, because some trees they're completely wild, and the place mustn't be wild. It must be something like more a park than a forest. So in this zone where we were working, there's probably an old staircase. We saw an old photo that was showing this staircase, and some people they remember this staircase. So we took measures on the photo. We know that it's here, maybe at 45 degrees from the angle of the building, from the corner, and then here you have this distance that is about 8 meters. And if you take 8 meters plus approximately 1/3, so it will be something like 11 meters from here, you will probably get the staircase. But here you have a lot of bushes that grew everywhere. So in this case, we need to remove all the vegetation, and then we will dig and we will see. So that's one of the parts.
The sun don't reach weary eyes, no, the light don't pierce down in the mines. 40 years, like 40 lives, only whistles blowing to mark the time. Oh, way, way down we go. Gotta rip that soul out of the ground while we walk that long wall to the sound of hammer and steel, steel on stone. Yeah, we work those fingers to the bone. Way, way down we go. Try to save my soul down deep where the river flows. Lord, help me bear that load. Break my back for dark black gold. With every scar etched in my hands, that's the price of the promised land. I'll take my money, what's left of my pride.